Hi, my name is Rachel Nolan. I'm a high school science teacher in Denver, Colorado. I'll be going into my 8th year of teaching and my 2nd year of teaching high school. Before that, I was a middle school science teacher for 6 years. In my current job, last year I was the coach of a Science Bowl team, and I'll do that again this next year. And then next year I'm taking on the responsibility of NHS, so that's really exciting. And the final thing is that next summer, I get to lead a trip of students to Costa Rica and Panama, and so I'm really excited about that. I've led student trips in the past to Japan and to Yosemite, and so this is a huge opportunity, and I'm really excited. So who has had the most influence on me in my life? My first answer would be me. I am very independent. I've always been that way as a kid, teenager. I've always kind of made my own decisions and followed my own path and not really listen to anyone else. Luckily, I usually made the right decisions. Now I would say my boyfriend of 5 years, he really pushes me when I'm stubborn or stuck in an idea or stuck in a way of thinking, and he has pushed me to think outside the box, so I am really grateful for that. The result of my personality test, the first thing I thought was there are some things right and some things that I didn't agree with. And so I did end up taking two versions of this personality test. I got fairly a little high, but in the middle for extroversion, I got a 67%, which it makes sense to me. I'm not the life of the party. I'm not extremely outgoing, but I'm not afraid to be in a group and talk in front of big crowds or speak up in a group. My emotional stability was really high. It was a 91%. This is because I don't tend to get over emotional or overexcited or overly depressed. I am pretty chill. The students say that I'm chill. My agreeableness was 51%. So I am friendly and optimistic, but not overly friendly, but definitely not overly aggressive. My conscientiousness was 46, and so I'm a little disorganized. My desk and my classroom are not clean, but I know where everything is, and I am careful in certain respects. And then the first test, the thing I disagreed with is that I only got an 8 for intellect and imagination, and I think this is because I'm not imaginative, I don't think. I'm not the ideas person usually. I know what I want to do, but I'm not a think outside the box type of person, which is going to affect my leadership styles definitely. The second test I took, I got a 61 on openness to experience, or that same category. I think the second test asked more questions about more experiences, because I do like going out and doing new things. It's just the imagination part that I think I was a little lower on. So my two leadership styles that I resonated with was first a democratic leadership. I don't want to be a figurehead. I don't want to make decisions unilaterally. So I think as a leader, I would solicit advice from other people. I'd want staff members to have input. I would definitely want to have teams. And so I think that coincides with my extroversion and agreeableness for sure. The other leadership style I liked was transformational leadership. In this one, you definitely listen to others, but the leader has a set vision. And knowing myself, I usually know what I think is right, and I will listen to others, but sometimes it changes my mind, but not often. I usually know what I think is best, and so I liked the idea of having a vision and then motivating others to get on board with my vision and be excited about it. So that would be the transformational leadership. So that one, the personality traits did seem to coincide with the extroversion and the agreeableness and emotional stability, for sure, being able to get people on my side and see my vision. And so that is my leadership styles and a little bit about me, and I'm excited to start this class with everybody.